Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to see question answers of EVS 2 Standard 4th, and the name of the lesson is Management of Forts and the Navy. Okay, after Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj, okay, there was a lot of work to be done. Shivaji was a great administrator that we all know. He was a skilled warrior and he had a great knowledge and great management skill also. So, it was very important for him to manage the forts. How many forts? Almost 300 forts were under the control of Shivaji. Okay? So, Shivaji, how he was controlling it, what are the things that he did in order to administer better way? अच्छी तरीके से एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के लिए उन्होंने फोर्ट्स एंड नेवी के लिए क्या किया। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। डैश स्किल मीन्स वर्किंग इन अ डिसिप्लिन्ड मैनर। मैनेजमेंट, ओके, लेसन के टाइटल में ही मैनेजमेंट नाम है और आंसर नंबर 1 भी मैनेजमेंट है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, डैश वॉज द यंगर सन ऑफ शिवाजी महाराज। Chhatrapati Raja Ram Maharaj was the younger son of Shivaji Maharaj. Third, Dash was the chief of intelligence department. Answer is Bahirji Nayak. Bahirji Nayak was the chief of intelligence department. Shivaji Maharaj protected his Dash with the help of the forts. What did he protect? He protected his Swaraj. Okay, 4 fill in the blanks were there. Now let's move to true or false. Question number 1 in true false. Shivaji Maharaj was a great general and statesman. Of course, it's a true answer. The Sabnis and the Kilidar worked under Karkhanis. That's wrong. Okay, so it is a false statement. Karkhanis were actually the lower states, not Sabnis and Kilidar. Sabnis and Kilidar were upper, they were assigned upper duties, and Karkhanis used to work under Sabnis and Kilidar. So, exactly opposite is given. That is why the answer is wrong. Question number 3. The guns on the forts were given a coating of wax. That's a very true statement. Aurangzeb built the fort of Khanderi near Mumbai. Did Aurangzeb build? No. So it's a false statement. Question number 5. Shivaji Maharaj soldiers treated women with respect. That's true. Now name the following. The book which tells us about the importance of forts. It is Ajna Patra or Royal Edict. It told about the importance of forts. Another name of the sea fort. Sea fort, another name is Janjira. The father of the Indian Navy, Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj is considered as the father of Indian Navy. Shivaji Maharaj built a new sea fort near Malvan. What was the name of the new sea fort? The name was Sindhudurg. Sindhudurg and Vijayadurg were two forts which were newly built by Shivaji Maharaj. Okay. Answer the following question number 4. What is meant by guerrilla tactics? The guerrilla tactics means to organize surprise attack, isolate and destroy the enemy. Who were the enemies of Shivaji Maharaj from the sea? The Siddhis, the English, the Portuguese and the Dutch were the enemies of Shivaji Maharaj from the sea. What were the strict orders given by Shivaji Maharaj to his soldiers? Shivaji Maharaj had given strict order to his soldiers not to drink alcohol, not to trouble his subjects and not to extort money from them. So these were the question answers, children, of the lesson Management of Forts and the Navy. If you feel any doubt regarding this, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you. We will be meeting with a new video very soon.